Okay, question 7, I guess sounds a little bit, well, I think it might be a bit weird because of the way it's worded. So let's read it together. 2 unidentified flying discs are detected by a receiver. So, okay, we're going to have 2 discs flying, but how do we draw them? The angle of elevation from the receiver to each disc is 39.48 degrees. All right, so we have, let's call this the receiver. Imagine there's like a little radio tower. This is radio tower. And the angle of elevation, so this is our horizontal. The angle of elevation to both discs is 39.48 degrees. So this is going to be our angle of elevation, 39.48 degrees, and it's to both discs. So both discs are on this line. The discs are hovering at a direct distance of 826 meters and 1.296 kilometers. So a direct distance means from the receiver to, say, the first disc is 800 and what does it say? Where is it? 826 meters, and from here to the second hovering disc is 1.296 kilometers. Let's turn that into meters as well. So this distance here to this point, call this A, call this B, is 1,296 meters. All right. So find the difference in height between the 2 unidentified flying discs to the nearest meter. So what we're actually finding is that bit, this bit here, x. Now, we can use this to make another, let's focus on just this AB. So we have a flying disc here, there's our flying UFO, going to another UFO up here, okay, and we have a right angle here, and we're trying to find the height, find the difference in height. So x is the difference in height between these 2 UFOs. Now, this angle here is still going to be 39.48 degrees, right? Because the horizontals, they're parallel. So use our angle knowledge to say that, well, this is 39.48 degrees, okay? And this distance here, oh dear, this is going to test me. I don't have my calculator, but what we'll do, this distance, subtract this distance, makes 470. I hope that's right. 470 meters. Let's see, 400, and that is 1200, and plus 74. Yeah, so 470 meters is the direct distance between these 2, and all we have to find is x. So we have h, and from the angle we have o. Well, we have to find o. So we're doing so, which o and h. So is sine of the angle, sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Always start doing this. We then say sine 39.48 equals x over 470. So where are we? 470 times by sine 39.48 equals x. Hopefully that answers your question.